Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to discuss to print st- number diamond. Okay, so we are going to print number in shape of diamond. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code. There I will write code. I will explain the problem statement, and I will write comment for each lines, each logic, so that your concept will clear and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. So I'm just going to open it. This is my kindly request to you all. You practice these things. If you have this Visual Studio Code, then you open it and do practice with me parallelly. Okay, and if you don't have, then you open online Java compiler and you practice there, so that you can learn this topic in a better way in one go only. Okay, so I need to write here. First I need to write a file name. So file name is should be the related to the problem statement. What is our problem statement is? So our problem is to solve to write a code which will print the number in shape of diamond. So I'm writing here number diamond dot java. Okay, so I'm going to explain you first problem is statement is. So I need to write here problem statement is, if user will enter input row how much it is, like I'm entering 7. Okay, then output will be what, 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, not 6, 5 only, and in fourth line it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, then it will again will now it will decrease 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, how much number I have entered, and number of row I have entered 3 into 5 already I have entered 1 2 3, and then I need to write here I need to write 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 number of rows I have entered. So this is going to be our output. Now I am going to import a scanner class. So take user input, import java dot util dot scanner class I have taken to import to take user input. Okay, and I have written here main method. After that, after that every line of the code will start to execute. Okay, number diamond dot java. Okay, it is correct. Now I need to write here, first is the object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner scanner system dot in. Okay, here I in to write here is smallest. What is capital N? Okay, now it is correct. Now I need to write here a message to ask to user to enter number of rows, and then I need to take that number with the help of variable n sc dot next int, and then I need to print another message to showcase our result statement. Below is the number diamond. Okay, now I'm going to write a I'm initialize a of middle line of what middle line of number diamond. So I need to write here ml is equals to n by 2 plus 1. Okay, you can see number of rows I have 7. Then number of middle row, the row will be n by 2, means if it is divided, if I will divided 7 by 2, then it will be 3 and plus 1 4. The number of middle line will be then middle line will be 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now a number of space in left of the element in each row, it is maximum kind, mean number of space will be what is the number of space ml minus 1. Ml means middle row is 4 4 minus 1 3. The number of space will be in left of the number is how much it is 3 1 2 and 3, here and here and here. Okay, 1 2 and here 3. Okay, and then it is the maximum number of space in a row. Okay, and I have to print number of element which is minimum in the row. So I need to write here int number of element noe is equals to 1. I am initializing it. Okay, a variable. And now I need to write here a loop which will control number of rows. So I need to write here for int I is equals to 1, I less than equal to n, and I plus plus. And then I need to write here a for loop which will take care of printing number of space. So I need to write here for int j is equals to 1, j less than equal to number of space and j plus plus. And then I need to write here a shout, and I need to give two space, one for making alignment and one for shifting element in the left. Okay, so in a right, so that in left space can create. And another for loop I am going to write here to print number of element. So I need to write here for int I is equals to for int k is equals to 1, k less than equal to noe number of element in a row and k plus plus. And then I need to write here shout means number of element with k. Okay, and then I need to write here another things. Now I need to write here if else condition. If I am in, if I is less than equal to ml, not less than equal to, it is only less than ml. If I is less than middle line is, if row is less than of middle line, then number of space nsp will decrease, okay, by 1, and number of element will increase by 2. You can see here, if we are in first row number of element is 1, if we are in second row number of element is 3, means it is increased by 2. Number of, if we are in third row number of element is 5, and in second we had 3 only, means it is increased by 2. And in middle line it is increased by 2 also, and after middle line it is decreased only. Okay, and number of space is increasing. So if I have already written, so I need to else part, number of spaces will be increased and number of element will decrease by 2. Okay, here I need to write here, write um what line, so that cursor can move in the next line. And I need to write here sc dot close to avoid resource leak. Okay, and now I think I have written the clear and perfect code. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, after that I will write comment for each lines. Okay, it is coming. Could not find or load main class number diamond. Okay, now I'm going to make another control A, control C. Here I need to write number diamond dot java. Okay, no problem. Where is number diamond dot java? Okay, where is bro? I have copy all the code. Okay, it is the error in file, so I am going to remove this file first. No problem, I'm going to change file name completely. I'm going to write here number diamond shape dot java. Okay, and here I am going to write the code. I'm going to paste the code, and I need to write here number diamond shape. I need to control C, write here control V, and then I need to remove these things. Okay, done. Now I think it will run. Yeah, it is asking to enter number of rows. I am entering 7. Then 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3, and in last what happened? Number of element. Okay, 7. Number of equal to 3 into 5. I'm going to run it again. 7 3 and 3 6. 1 is not printing in the last. What is the error is? Number of element is decreasing by 2. Number of spaces increasing. So here I need to write, I think, equal to 7. What is the error, guys? Equal to. Here I need to write equal to. See, it is starting from 1, it is not starting from 0. Number of rows, it is not starting from 0, that's why error was coming. I have forget to write here a equal to sign, okay, so that it can go till 7, okay. Number of rows go till 7, okay. It is all it is going only for 6 number of rows, okay. Now I'm entering 7. You can see this is the our result, okay. Now it will run for everything. You can enter another number of rows also. I am entering again 5. You can see our shape is coming perfectly, okay. Now I am entering number of rows, the 9. You can see this will run in a better way. Perfect, it will running, okay. You can see. Now I'm going to write what comment for each lines. It is what, it is the scanner class taken for user input, okay. With the help of object of this scanner class, this is the file name there our code is going to save, okay. This is the main method. After this everything everything is going to execute, and this is the object creation of scanner class. This is what, this is the message to ask user to enter number of rows. This is the storing of number of rows storing of number of rows in the storing of number of rows in the variable variable n, okay. This is what, this is the message to enter message to not enter to show the result. Message, why man cursor is not moving. Guys, wait, it will be good. Message to show the result text, okay. What happened? Result text, okay. This is the middle row of diamond, okay. This is the starting space of starting space of diamond. This is the what? This is starting number of element in diamond. This is the what? This is the number of rows. This is for loop. For this loop is controlling number of rows. This is controlling number of space. Okay, and printing printing here two space one for making the alignment, for shifting element in the right. Okay, and this is printing of this loop is printing element in each row. Okay, printing k value with one space. If we are above the middle row of diamond, then spaces is decreasing, and number of element is increasing. Okay, and here it is number of, and after middle row of diamond, space is increasing, and number of element is decreasing by 2. And after printing number of element after printing element in each row, to move cursor in the next row, I have written here line. Okay, this is ln means it is used to move cursor in the next. Okay, it is the println statement. It is used like line. And this is the closing of scanner class to avoid leak and save or what, free the memory. Okay, so you can see guys, I have explained the problem statement. I have write the code and I have already executed, and I have written comment so that you can understand the meaning of each lines, each logics. Okay, basically we have initialized a three variable: middle line, number of space, number of element. Number of space maximum is the what, ml minus 1 in the first row, and it is decreasing when we are in the above of middle row. Okay, when we are after, when we are below the middle row of the diamond, the number of space is increasing and number of element is decreasing, and above, number of space is decreasing and number of element is increasing. So this is the logic: number of space is decreasing by 1, number of element is increasing by 2, and decreasing by 2 also when we are in the below of the middle row. Okay, and here you have to write number diamond shape dot java. This is the unique name. I have already practiced these things in the writing of number of diamond in the another file. So that's why error was coming, but you have to write unique name. If you are writing first time number diamond, then it will run automatic, it will run, no problem will come in your system. Okay, I have already practiced these things, so that's why error was coming. Okay, and now that's why I have write a unique name. This is number diamond shape. Okay, so now our code is working perfectly. I have written here the logics, the comment for each things. Okay, everyone have a nice day, and you have to do dry run so that your coding skill will be improved, and you can learn these things, and your logic will build for solving problem like this. Okay, now we will meet in another video. Till then, keep learning, keep doing dry run, and keep practicing previous things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.